thank the Secretary General for his...
Today, I'm releasing my vision statement on sustainable energy for all. I have set 3 objectives, all to be achieved by 2030. First, ensure universal access to modern energy services. Second, double the rate of improvement of energy efficiency. Third, double the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. The world is hungry for solutions to global challenges. This initiative provides them on multiple levels. Taken in combination, these objectives will enhance equity, revitalize the global economy, and help protect the ecosystems that sustain us.
Thank you.
Today, I am pleased to announce the members of the high-level group on sustainable energy for all. The group is co-chaired by Khande Yumkhella, the chair of UN Energy and executive director of UNIDO, and Charles Holliday, chairman of Bank of America. The Sustainable Energy for All group includes distinguished global leaders from around the world, business, finance, government, civil society. The group will develop an action agenda in support of the 2030 goal.